The nerve of those thru hikers inviting me to Springer Mountain, and on such short notice. Even if I wanted to, my schedule won't allow it. January 1st, wallow in self-pity. February 1st, stare into the abyss. February 15th, sob, hiker hunger, and tell no one. February 21st, step aerobics. March 1st, freeze-dry dinner with me. I can't cancel that again. March 10th, wrestle with my self-loathing. I'm booked. Well, if I bumped the loathing to March 5th, I could still be done in time to lay in a hostel and stare at the mountains and slip slowly into madness. But what will I wear? It's not a dress. It's a kilt, sicko! Too much cotton. Not breathable enough. Not ultralight enough. If I can't find something to layer, I'm not going. Oh. Ah. That's it. I'm not hiking.
It's been said that with proper planning, a thru hiker should be able to wear all clothes packed at once. Here are my hiking clothes, minus one set of sleepwear keeping dry in my pack. Outer shell first, Marmot Precip hooded jacket for rain, cold, and snow. The hood cinches tighter, can be left loose, and also turns into a stiff collar when not needed. The cuffs also cinch with Velcro to sail out or vent air. I love it because of the pit zips to vent. It has Velcro to block out moisture, a great zipper, and a snap at the bottom that is sometimes the only thing I will use to close it. This comes out when hiking below 20 to 25 degrees, rain up to 50, or often in camp with and without other insulation. Next are my rain, snow, and wind pants. Old but fairly light at 7 ounces. I cut out pockets to be able to reach into the pants and use my hiking pants pockets. Elastic waist with zippers only at the calf for my boots. Speaking of boots, I will start in these Merrill Moab waterproof ventilators until I get through the Smokies. At least that's the plan until the plan changes. I also plan to use this outer layer for laundry. Sooner or later, I will switch to the Z-Packs rain kilt, a multi-purpose item even when not worn as clothing. Be aware, it is somewhat transparent, being made of Cuban fiber Dyneema. I love the zipper so stride is not impacted. So light that it flies away. Going the distance, but mainly for camp, is my puffy jacket, a Montbell UL jacket, nothing fancy, simple and hoodless. I use my headwear as part of the hammock sleep insulation, so I need it separate. In this case, a BlackRock original down hat. So light it's under an ounce and stores in the zippered pocket. Great weight to warmth ratio. Next, my favorite piece of gear that snuck up on me as an early item to drop from the pack. Now I'm a converted and I don't hike without it. A Patagonia Houdini wind shirt, orange for hunting season, adjustable hood to seal around the head, only one chest pocket, elastic wrist cuffs, and waist cinch cord. Simple, but what a layer for warmth and wind chill. Easily zips and unzips to vent as necessary. When it hits 40 degrees, off it comes. too easily packed into its own pocket. Almost disappears. So light that it flies away. Another favorite after the review of Bigfoot and endorsement by ER, the Patagonia Thermal Weight 3/4 Zip Hoodie. Great for hiking warmth. Love the high zip collar and hood that can work as a balaclava. Ninja warrior against the cold. Elastic thumb loops to keep it down on the wrist and hand. No heat escape here. Looks great and can replace any other long sleeve shirt options. Lightweight for when not needed. There it goes. For my hands, I tried glove liners, but those didn't work for me, even though they were only an ounce. Instead, I followed Shug's lead and wear wristies. They keep the blood warm through the wrist as it travels to and from the fingers. So comfortable that they stay on 24/7. And under a 32-degree temperature for full coverage, I use a pair of wool DIY mittens. So warm, I have to watch sweating in them when using trekking poles. For my balding head, under 32 degrees, I hike in a simple Mountain Hardwear microdome beanie. Nothing fancy. Next to my hiking pants, I prefer Prana Xeon pants. But they are heavy and don't work in the layering system, so my only other choice I've found is the Columbia Silver Ridge convertible pants. I wish the back pocket was zippered and that it had a drawstring like my old size 38 Columbia Aruba pants, but now that I'm getting in shape, I do appreciate the nylon belt on these pants. Again, these are convertible with easy zippers that many times I use to vent in order to avoid ticks on bare calves. I use this when around others that don't understand hiker fashion. However, it is too cold out here to go any further. Yes, definitely too cold. Now that I am indoors, here is a base hiking layer, starting with my second favorite piece of clothing, the versatile buff. Again, ninja hiker. I even sleep in it as a night stocking. So many variations. The last is as a head, earmuff, or sweatband. However, for days above 40 degrees, I rely on my Outdoor Research Swift Cap. It is breathable and very comfortable while still offering head protection. My newest item combines with my Icebreaker Tech Light t-shirt. It is still being field tested, but quickly proving to be a wonderful solution when a long sleeve hoodie is too much, yet a short sleeve shirt is too minimal. These are called sleeves. As you can see, easy up and easy down. This is my hiking outfit most days, starting or ending at a low of 42. Any lower and the first layer added is a wind shirt. These sleeves are so light that they disappear in the clothes bag. Nice outfit. Oh, I almost forgot. I plan on switching to trail runners in hot springs. Currently getting used to these Ultra Lone Peak 3.0s. However, the zero drop technology is taking some getting used to. I also plan on purchasing a corresponding pair of Dirty Girl Gaiters, maybe to match my styling sleeves and buff. There's my clothing system. Thanks for watching.